Hey guys, it's Rosemary here. Today I'll be doing another crochet with the Freetress Braid Straight Gorgeous Loc. It's $8.99 a pack. I got about 7 packs. I don't know if I'll finish using it. Well, that's what it looks like. It's 2-colored. And then my hair is 2.5 years old. This is September 2022, and I got a haircut. Like, I cut my hair bald in 2020 April, so this is 2.5 years. I was thinking it'd take 5 years to expand like this, and I'm making this video because I'm about to wash it and you're gonna see the shrinkage. Shrinkage is really bad. Did I forget to mention I am 7 months pregnant? I did the other one at when I was 5 months pregnant, so go back and watch it, and also follow my pregnancy journey on how I conceived this baby. All right, stay tuned, click subscribe, and let's get started. Washed now. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be spraying. When I cut it, then I can spray, comb it and all that stuff. But see, shrunk like crazy, natural. But anyways, yeah, like I said, this is that 12-inch Freetress Crochet Locs. Let's get started. It might take me 3 hours to braid it and 3 hours to put the hair in. So I'm gonna try use an actual hair for the braiding instead of using my hair like I did the last time, because last time was coily, and so when my hair started growing into it, it looked more natural. But I don't know what it would look like with the locks, so I'm gonna try use that and see. I've never done it before, and then I'm gonna just braid halfway and probably go round or combine two and go down, because I have only 7 packs and these things are really thin. It's really thin. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, doesn't look good. Okay, we'll see. With my pregnancy face. I'm gonna try to do a little smaller. It doesn't matter how you cut the line, guys, because this crochet, the front part is more important to me. Because I'm putting my TCB leave-in treatment. It has shea butter, coconut oil. That way I can even use a smaller comb to comb it without breaking. I think it's pregnancy hormone, because my hair breaks. Not bad, but when you detangle it. I'm cutting it all the way to the back. Oh, not out of camera. I can't see my back, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I bet this would be easier if it wasn't natural. Or if someone else was cutting it for me. I'm so nervous. The line is not perfect, but who cares? I'm always home anyway. I don't know how to do this part on myself. Disadvantage of natural hair. I am mostly interested in getting my edges. At this point, it's just my natural hair, my own hair remaining. The wave is finished. Oh, I probably shouldn't braid the whole thing. I don't know how I want to do this, but that's what the first braid looks like. I'm just gonna braid it straight back from now on. They say don't braid your edges, but look, my baby hairs are so close to my eyes and they're long enough. So, and then the natural hair, so even if I keep putting edge control and all that, just imagine it's really close to my eye. So I have to braid it. The main reason I'm using this extra hair, braiding hair, is to get my edges because they slip out before next week. How does it look, guys? So far so good. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's especially hard being pregnant. Too tired. Alright, let's ride on. At this point, I'm gonna cut the video until I'm almost done, so it's not too long. That was a lot. Time for the main business. Okay. don't think this is gonna be enough. So I'm just gonna do the back and the front ones, and then maybe get some more tomorrow. Since I don't have so much, I'm just gonna give some space, like massive space. I wanna buy some tomorrow after church. It took me a maximum of 3 hours to braid the hair, which doesn't seem like much. And then I'm gonna do just the back part and the edges, the front part, and then skip all the way inside. This one is so much easier than the coily one. Like that. So I've used 2 packs so far. I have 5 more packs left. That's what it's looking like so far. I double tied some of them and I just let some of them go. I love this pack so far, so good. I'm so tired. It's been 5 hours already. I forgot to mention each of these has about 24 strands for each pack. So I still think that price is high, but you know. I noticed there are 2 different kind of knots. When I put it under and then tie it around, it turns out like this. But when I put it this way and bring it out, it turns out like this. So for the rest of them at the back, I'm gonna go upwards so that they can look like that. And the one under, like this one, I'll go downwards. See, like two different ways of tying it down. Like this, I'd rather just go down like that. So now I get to the back. Try the other. I like it like this. It's more natural than this way. So I'm glad I found that out. So far so good. I'm done with 3 packs and I have 4 more packs. And I thought it wouldn't be enough, and I probably would just use 2 on each. And the last one, I can't believe putting the hair in took me about 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Braiding the hair was 3 hours. That's what it looks like so far. Pregnant mama is tired. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have one more pack left, so I might return it to get something else, or I may keep it. Since this is Locs, I can just pull it out when I'm taking it off. Just pull it off when I'm taking it out. That way I can use it next time, unlike the coily hair. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. It's my first time using the hair to braid it, the extra hairs. As time goes on, I'll pull on this to tighten them up. It's my first time using the hair to braid it, and it's my first time making the crochet for the dreadlocks. And I'm tired because I started after 7 and this is after 1 a.m. Tired and hungry, but that's what it looks like doing it by myself. And the $100 that I just saved doing it, I can go donate it to the kids cancer center or the children's cancer hospital. This is what it looks like at the back. Especially for the summer. It's not really summer, but you know, it's still hot outside. I won't be doing a maintenance video because this is pretty okay. It doesn't need to be maintained. And I won't be doing a takeout video because I'll literally just pull it off. It's not like the other one I did. But I'm gonna share the other link. Make sure you go back and watch the first one I did with the coily hair, with the deep coil, with the coily Freetress Crochet hair. Sorry guys, I'm so tired and someone's definitely hungry and my back hurts. I'm so glad I had a little bit of strength. I had a little bit of strength to do this, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.